Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is anxiety. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is anxiety? Anxiety is a natural and often adaptive response to stress or danger. It's a feeling of unease, worry, or fear about a situation or upcoming event. While it's normal to experience some level of anxiety in a certain situations, such as before a big exam or a job interview, excessive or persistent anxiety that interferes with daily life and functioning can be considered an anxiety disorder. Anxiety disorders encompass a range of conditions including generalized anxiety disorder or GAD, social anxiety disorder, panic disorder, specific phobias, and more. Disorders involve intense and sometimes irrational feelings of fear and worry that can be lead to physical symptoms like increased heart rate, sweating, trembling, and a sense of impending doom. It's important to note that anxiety disorders are more than just occasional worry or stress. They can significantly impact a person's quality of life, relationships, and overall well-being. Treatment options for anxiety disorders may include therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, medication as anti-anxiety medications or antidepressants, lifestyle changes, and relaxation techniques. If you or someone you know is struggling with anxiety that is affecting daily life, seek help from a mental health professional is recommended. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is anxiety is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.